we guide you through how to add a link in Google Docs so you can connect your document to websites, files, or other resources. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and highlight the text where you want the link to appear. Next, right-click the highlighted text and select Insert Link, or simply press Ctrl plus K or Windows or Command plus K on Mac. In the link box that appears, paste the URL you want to add or choose a suggested web page or Google Drive file. Click Apply, and the text will instantly become a clickable link. You can test the link by hovering over it and clicking Open, and you can edit or remove the link anytime by clicking on it. Adding links makes your documents more interactive, informative, and easier to navigate for readers.